I am fortunate that the intake manifold is the coldest part of the engine, because I could have had a fire. I really should have cleaned this up before I even moved it. Obviously a squirrel or rats or mice or something decided to set up shop here beneath the air cleaner. But I've got my trusty shop vac and I'm going to clean this up. There is quite the rat's nest right here beside my carburetor. I do not want to have to take my carburetor off just to clean out a big nest. Okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. Man, I so totally don't know what all these vacuum lines do. It's just a big old mess. I'm illiterate when it comes to a lot of that stuff. I don't even know what I'm looking at. But anyway, the rodent nest has been eradicated. So now I'm gonna put the air cleaner back on and button all this stuff back up. This air cleaner assembly doesn't seem quite low enough. It looks like it's just a smidgen too high here on this side. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to close up. Well, what do you know? It fit. And I'll just unroll this carpet. Ta-da! And I got a little table that goes right there. Okay, my little table there is remounted. Can anybody tell me what this little table is? It's got a hanger on the back side and it's got a little folding leg, and I swear it makes it about the right height to sit up here. I thought that maybe it would attach somewhere on the dash and just hook on in place of this table, but I don't see anything obvious. So if anybody recognizes this table, I'd love to know where it's supposed to go. You know, is it associated with the rear somehow, or you know, does it? I just don't get it.